and the name of your class, which is term. All right, so just go ahead and type in this is going to test the term class. I don't know why it's yelling at me, but okay, it's gone. Good. So let's go ahead and type in define test term. All right, so now we're going to test it, and forget this, and now we're good. All right, so we want to test if this class will always work. How are we going to do that? So let's just close this for a little bit, and let me just do that because that will make it so much easier to see both of them. All right, that's actually so much better. Let's just go ahead and first import it because from term import all. This line of code basically means from term import all, because guys, without importing them you won't be able to use them. I just forgot to do that in the beginning. So let's go ahead and create let's just go ahead and create an object from this class. So to create an object, just go ahead and name your object whatever you want. Let's just name it a better name, object term, and set it equal to term, and set that equal to the coefficient of 2, the power of 2. All right, so let's go ahead and type in if object term dot get power is equal to 2 and object term dot get coefficient is equal to 2, then what do we want to do? If that's the case, then go ahead and print, if I can type, pass. Else, go ahead and print fail. So we just created one test, but you guys can go as crazy as you want. All you got to do is basically create an object from the term class and just go ahead and test it. And to test it, all you got to do is type in the name of the object and use the method, because now we're basically connected to this class using this object term dot get power. And what this will allow you to do is basically return the power that you just passed in. So if everything worked well, this test should pass. So let's go ahead and call the method real quick. And all right, so let's see what happens, and let's go ahead and go to test term and run that. And all right, what do we have? And as you guys can see, it said pass. So everything is running nice and smooth, and let's just go ahead and create another test just to make sure that this program will always work. Object term 2, and set that equal to term, and what is the coefficient? The coefficient is 44 and the power is 22. Let's see if that will work. Just give yourself a little bit of space, and let's just copy that, because we don't have all the time in the world. We're very busy people. I'm just kidding. Sometimes I just say silly stuff, but that's just my personality. All right, let's just go ahead and change that to term 2, and we're gonna change 44. This is the coefficient, and this is, oops, made a mistake. This is the power. So now this is going to check if the data that we inputted right here is actually the same data that we're getting back when we use these methods. All right, so everything looks nice and good. Let's go ahead and run that, and let's see what do we have. Go ahead. Oh, all right, pass, pass. Nice, beautiful and smooth, and it looks so good so far. So guys, now that you've learned what a term is, and now that you have your, wait a minute, let me just give myself a little bit of space so I can explain things for you guys. Now that you have this term class created, and now that we've made sure that this term class will work all the time, now we're ready to implement the polynomial class. And the polynomial class is actually, it's pretty straightforward, and I'm gonna make it super easy for you guys. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be legit. Can't wait to build the polynomial class, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.